experience learning more about the Philippines. Alright? Which is why we prepared this next segment. And it's called, very straightforwardly, Learning About the Philippines. Okay. So how we're gonna do this is we actually want to teach you some popular Filipino words. Okay? And then you can, have like an interaction with the fans and stuff like that. That's how we want you to learn about the Philippines. So let's take a look at our first word on the screen, please. Omsim. Okay, the first one.
이게 웃기는 말이에요?
Is this a funny word?
Funny ba siya funny?
지금 다 웃었잖아요.
Pero tumawa kayo.
Siguro medyo unexpected. Okay, what do you think this means, Omsim?
엄심. 아니야, 다들 웃고 있는데 지금.
No, you guys are all laughing.
You're so cute kasi.
엄심. 너 웃잖아.
Look at you, you're laughing.
엄심.
What do you think it means? It's not a yoga chant, as you're maybe making it sound, okay? Omsim, what do you think it means?
그냥 그냥 돈가스 같은 건가 봐요.
Something like tonkatsu?
Pagkain!
돈가스를 얘기하니까 이제 몇 명이 화를 냈어.
When I said tonkatsu, some of you got mad.
아니야?
No?
It's not food, okay, it's not food. However, so omsim means, in Tagalog, it's like saying correct. You are right. Like when someone says to you something, it's like, omsim, yeah, like that. But let's have your fans teach you how to pronounce it properly, okay? Just so we have that interaction here. Are you guys ready to say omsim and teach them how to say it? Alright then, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Omsim!
That's how I heard,
엄심.
Very good, very good. Okay, so I think what we can do is maybe the fans can say, Kitsuyono pa ang pogi mo, and then you can say, Omsim. So you know how to use it in an interaction. Would you guys like to do that? Alright. He knows naman what it means, no?
ang pogi mo.
Okay, so the fans are gonna tell you, you're so foggy, and then you can say, Omsim. Alright, okay, here we go. Kitsuyono pa ang pogi mo. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Salamat po.
Oh, he's too humble. Hindi niya kinaya. Sige, okay. But yes, that was our first word, Omsim. Alright.